It looks like you just drank a gallon of milk. And you have a mustache.
Don't do that. You wish you had one.
First step, pickle juice.
Oh, that stinks.
The only thing that stank is that breath. Calm down. Calm down. Because your breath smell like the ocean. Next, add your Cheetos. Make sure to get the extra hot ones.
Extra hot Cheetos for the extra big vat.
Don't do me like that. That's mean.
Hey, save some for breakfast. Don't force it. What was that?
Who was that?
Next, add some lemon juice. I like a lot of lemon in mine.
Give me the lime.
Last, Tajin.